Alright, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be removing this broke off exhaust stud on this 5.7 Hemi head. Remember to like and subscribe, as once we hit 1,000 subscribers I'll be giving some tools away. The giveaway will be on another video that's already posted to the channel. So we're going to jump in today. We're using this gear wrench 8-piece stud removal kit. You see inside there, I've shown this kit off once before. It's got 3 roll pins inside of it. So I have heated this stud up a little bit because we do have another one that's broke off, but it's broke off flush with the head, so I'll have to remove that another way. But this kit right here is awesome. So you're just gonna put it on there. You want to twist it until it kind of gets a little tight. Put your ratchet on there, which I'm using the good old Matco. You want to keep tension on there. Keeps that socket on there. You'll notice once I back up to grab another swing that it does break the socket loose on the stud. It's because the pins inside have got to grip tight on the stud to remove it. As you see there, it is pulling the stud out. Just like that. Keep in mind though, if you're going to get a set like this, you have to have at least about 1/2 inch of the stud to actually grab on to with this. If not, this kit might not get that stud out for you because it won't have enough room to grab onto it to remove it. Thank you for watching. Remember, hit that subscribe button, helps out the channel. The tool giveaway is going to be a 22-piece gear wrench swivel socket set. I'll be doing a review on that. They'll be uploaded on the channel shortly, but that's at 1,000 subs. Appreciate all the support.